When I saw Miss Glam buys Dalton Cosmetics, you do too. So that's what I did. So I ordered the bridal package. It's called the Glamorous Bridal Bridal Bundle Fair and in shade Fair Light. Hi, it's me. It's Hot Mess Wednesday. I was trying to look cute for this, but I'm getting really caught off work. And sorry, I thought I heard something. On Wednesdays, we wear pink. So I got this package today. Buy makeup from this brand. Or anything really, but I was persuaded by one of my favorite influencers, Miss Glam Beauty, Stephanie, any Hosies. She's one of my favorites. And of course, anything she gets and anything she recommends comes in something pink. It's from Dalton. And I don't even know where they're from. But so I ordered a bridal box. Well, like this bridal set of stuff, makeup. So I got the Dalton bridal box. Or bridal bundle. I'm going to use as much as I can to do a full face based on what they gave me. And they did give me a cream. So this is more of like a moisturizer, I would say. It's the Dalton Smooth Assist Skin Energy Daily Renewing Souffle. I'm going to use the Dalton Smooth Assist Skin Energy Daily Renewing Souffle. All I have on right now is chapstick. And I'm going to use this. I opened this up yesterday when I made a unboxing video that I turned into a couple shorts. So it's like this, and it has a bunch of different stuff in it. Oh, that's a lot. Hydrate, replenish, retexturize. It has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, magnesium, and ceramides to help reinforce skin's moisture barrier and energize cellular repair. So I'm just gonna generously apply it to my face and my neck. It smells a little funky, but I think it will be okay. I don't know. But it doesn't have a funky smell. Underlying funk. Underlying funk, if you will. Alright, and then let that set in for a moment while I look for the primer, which is this. And it comes with a card, which is really cute. It says, Ignite Your Sparkle. And it's meant for the holiday collection, but I think you can do this anytime. Oh, you're supposed to hashtag Doll Squad. I didn't realize that. I believe I can. And they're promoting their eye crayons. Sure. I am enough. I am worthy. I deserve good things. It's my turn. It's my time to shine. I don't chase. I attract. Never let anyone dull your sparkle. So, alright, this is the Dalton Smooth Assist Smooth Solution Pore Refining Primer, which I learned yesterday is kind of like a silicone, which I do like. I know some people don't like that, but I do. Normally, and it comes in this little squeezable tube. And it looks like that. You can see it, right? And I might put more, I might not. Oh, snap. It doesn't want to stand up. I'm going to stick that back on the box. So, yeah, I'm probably going to add some more. Because that just, dried right into my skin. Oh, and it fell right off into the floor. Ooh. Wow. I'm trying to hold my hand like this so I don't lose it this time. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to put this everywhere. I'm trying to avoid my eyes because my eyes have really been sensitive lately. Drop more on the floor, sensitive lately, more than usual. And they irritate very easily. And yeah, so I have to be very careful. So, pushing that in. It's hard to tell. And then I got it's kind of stinging parts of my face too. here. I'm telling you, my face is very sensitive lately. I'm waiting to try this to get this new medication, but we'll see. And then I got the Doll 10 TCE. This covers everything. Super coverage serum makeup with peptides. So this is like their version of a foundation in shade Fairlight, because I figured that's me. It has peptides, vitamin C, magnesium, green tea extract, and aloe vera extract. The special blend of silk pigments is weightless on the skin and will never crack, crease, or settle into texture. Intentionally clean, cruelty-free, and how to use. They say a little goes a long way. I think it's because it's a serum foundation. I don't have the proprietary brush that they speak of. Apply a small amount and buff it directly into the skin until desired coverage is achieved. And to me, this reminds me of Rare Beauty and Fenty and Kylie. Like, they have the same packaging to me. Just saying. And from SMS Glam, and it matches. It's so pretty. And that's where I learned about this product, this brand from, is her. That might be a lot, but we'll see. Because I saw she uses the foundation and like got another, like a bunch of other stuff too. Wow, that's light. And I'm like, well, if she uses it, maybe I should too. I hope it blends in better because I feel like it's the wrong color for me. Like, that's not my shade. That's not my shade. They call me Stacy. They call me her. That's not my shade. Put on my eyes so that, I don't know, we're a little more conducive. That's not my shade. That's not my shade. My hand last night, it looked a little bit better, but it's hard to tell until it's on your face because your hand is not the same as your face. The one thing they don't give you in this bundle is brow stuff. So that and concealer. Aside from the shade not really matching well, it depends. It's iffy. Once it settles in, it looks a little bit better, but it still feels like the wrong shade. And shade aside, the coverage is decent. So I could see why they don't give you a concealer. But the shade is a little funky. Like, can you tell it's funky? Because I can. But it does, like, dry, mattifying, like a mattifying dryness. I don't like it. I don't think I like it. It's weird. I feel a little strange. A little strange. It's just the texture is funky. They gave me a Doll Skin Pink Power Brightening Treatment Powder for normal, oily, combination, dry, and sensitive skin. Also has vitamin C, bamboo extract, peptides, hyaluronic acid, and rose quartz to help brighten, smooth, and blur skin's appearance. And I like that it was pink. It's really pretty. A lot of the stuff is like pink. It matches the Kylie stuff. Kind of, sort of. That's what it reminds me of. Kylie. And it's pink. This doesn't really smell that much, but it's pink. I'm going to use this one. It's perfect. It's a tapered powder brush from SMS Glam. They don't give you a setting spray, so I guess this is fun. And not in this bundle at least. I'm gonna do my whole face. Because we don't get a setting spray and brow gel. And the more I smooth it out from a distance, it looks okay. It's a lot of extra though. It looks pretty in my garbage. Yeah, it's pink. Pretty and pink. I like the packaging of this, and it really does remind me of Kylie. Just saying, not a bad thing, but it reminds me of Kylie. Alright, before we do the eyes, I'm gonna jump and do my face first. So I got a face complexion, Doll Skin complexion enhancing palette. I mean, I would maybe use it again. I'm just not crazy about it. And there's 8 different products in here. There's the soft light, there's a color correcting, 2 color correctings, I think there's 2 highlighters or something like that. Highlighters, color correctors, blushes, and bronzers. So with the same brush, I'm not going to use all of these because I don't usually use all of these, but they look like these are too dark for me because I have light skin. But we're going to do the contour, so I guess we'll use this one. That might be my shade. The dark one's a little too dark for somebody like me. I'm very fair. I don't know. Are these highlighters? And that's a contour, and that's a contour? I don't know. So, see, there's 8 different things. And I like how they give you these big mirrors. My nose is a little patchy with the foundation and stuff. This is supposed to be like your bridal look. Trying not to get the blush on here because they're like right next to each other, and then I gotta do my nose. You know, but my nose is patchy. I don't know if you could tell right down here especially. I'm gonna use this one for my nose. We're gonna try to contour with that same lighter bronzy shade. Yeah, this brush is like loose, I think. Then we're gonna use this same brush to do the blush. And I'm gonna use this pinkish one here. The pinkish one here. It's hard to do with these things. I'm not used to using palettes like this anymore. I haven't used one in a long time. Cause like, they're right next to each other. You know? I don't really see it. Do you? I'm like really pushing hard. Let's get a little more now. That I pushed really hard into the palette. You have to like really push into it. Maybe you have to like, what do they call it when you have to like scratch the surface? I guess that's what it's called, scratching the surface. My nose, my forehead, my chin. Yeah, you want to like bring some flushness back to your face. Alright, so that I did. This I'm off feelings. That's really pretty too. Use this color, whatever this is. Because that's kind of cute, but it's like yellow. It's like a yellow highlight. I don't know if I like the yellow. I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow palette. I got mascara, eyeliner, and lips, but I don't usually do my liner because I'm not good at it, and I have really bad hooded eyes, and it's just a disaster, to be honest. So this is the Enchanting Eyes Doll 10 talc-free eyeshadow palette, which I love that it's talc-free because of my sensitive skin, and they say talc's not good for you. So this has 9 shades in it, and I looked at these last night and I swatched them, and I wasn't crazy about them, but they're okay. So we're gonna go, I'm not gonna use all of them. I'm gonna go with this one with this brush I was just using for my contour. And they were named, but I didn't know that till the thing fell off. The plastic thing that covers the colors. I love these brushes from SMS Glam. They're like wonderful for control because I'm not that good at doing my makeup. So like it's good to have control on your brush. A lot of these colors aren't really like, they're like, I don't know how to explain it. Yeah, like cheap looking. I don't like this one. It's chalky. I don't like it. Okay, and then this like purpley color that kind of looks like black. I don't know what this is on my brush. one good thing is if you mess up, it's easily able to like wipe away, kind of. Because they don't give you concealer, so it's like, what am I supposed to use? So I did my brows off camera real quick. I'm gonna do my lips and then finish my eyes. Yeah. So they gave me this 2-in-1 lipstick, lip gloss, Pamper, in shade Pamper. It's the Self-Care Comes First Nude Lip Wardrobe, which I kind of liked. It reminds me of the taste of something I used when I was a kid. I forgot what product. I don't know, LA Color or something? I don't remember. Something you use when you're a kid. Whatever kids have. And it's decent. It's like a nude pink, mauve color. Let me show you this. See what I mean? And got a little. I'm not a big glossy person, but it is what it is. It's fine. Liner. They gave me a liner, which I'm not very good at, so I may not use it. Because they gave me the liner, because I'm gonna destroy my face. I love the packaging though. This is really pretty. It's the automatic eyeliner. This color is everything in shade brown, which goes nicely with the whole look, I would say. And it's pretty good. It's not bad though. I did like a little basic line. It's as basic as I can go. And on the mascara, which is this one, the Doll 10 Lash Remedy Transforming Peptide Mascara in shade black. Curl, lengthen, and volumize. And this is, I think it's all cruelty free, or for the most part, it's smooth application and ultra long wear time. And the packaging is nice. And for application, it's pretty good. Like compared to other ones, it's pretty clean. It's not 100%, because I like when there's nothing extra on it when I pull it out of the things. The tube. Okay, well, that's nice. Let's see if I can do it without messing up. The mascara is pretty good, considering. So like you can see it has like a, whatever shape that is, it's curved. It's not bad. Overall, I think some of this I kind of like, some of this I don't like. A lot of it I don't like. But yeah, the mascara is not bad though. But yeah, that's what I think. Let me know what you think in the comments if you ever tried. Oh shit. You ever tried Doll 10? What did you think? Did you like it? Were you like disappointed too? Let me know and I'll see you later. Bye.